Welcome to our Eco Channel, where we explore the wonders of our planet and the vital connections that sustain all life. From the depths of the oceans to the peaks of the mountains, we delve into the beauty and complexity of Earth's ecosystems. Let's journey together towards a greener future. In this video, we talk about the importance of rainforests in global ecology. Introduction to rainforests. Rainforests are lush, dense forests found in tropical regions near the equator, characterized by high rainfall, high humidity, and a rich diversity of plant and animal life. They are critical to global ecology due to their unique climatic, environmental, and biological roles. Biodiversity hotspots. Rainforests are home to a significant proportion of the world's biodiversity. They harbor an estimated 50% of all plant and animal species, including countless insects, birds, mammals, and reptiles. This incredible diversity is vital for ecological balance and resilience. Climate regulation. Rainforests play a key role in regulating the Earth's climate. They act as carbon sinks by absorbing large amounts of carbon dioxide during photosynthesis, which helps mitigate climate change. Additionally, rainforests contribute to the water cycle by releasing moisture into the atmosphere, influencing regional and global weather patterns. Oxygen production. Through the process of photosynthesis, rainforests produce a substantial portion of the world's oxygen. This oxygen production is essential for sustaining life on Earth and maintaining atmospheric balance. Soil conservation. Rainforests help prevent soil erosion by stabilizing the soil with their extensive root systems. This is crucial for maintaining soil fertility and preventing landslides, which can lead to significant ecological and human consequences. Medicinal resources. Rainforests are a source of numerous medicinal plants and compounds that are used to develop treatments for various diseases. Many pharmaceutical drugs have been derived from rainforest plants, highlighting their importance in medical research and healthcare. Cultural and economic value. Rainforests are home to many indigenous communities who depend on these ecosystems for their livelihoods, cultural practices, and spiritual values. Additionally, rainforests offer potential economic benefits through sustainable tourism and responsible resource management. Threats to rainforests. Rainforests face significant threats from deforestation, illegal logging, agricultural expansion, and climate change. These activities result in habitat loss, reduced biodiversity, and disruption of ecological processes. Conservation efforts. Efforts to conserve rainforests include establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable land use practices, and supporting indigenous rights and involvement in conservation. International agreements and local initiatives aim to reduce deforestation and protect these vital ecosystems. Conclusion. Rainforests are indispensable to global ecology due to their biodiversity, climate regulation, and contributions to oxygen production and soil conservation. Protecting and conserving rainforests is essential for maintaining ecological balance, supporting global health, and preserving cultural heritage. The role of rainforests in water cycle regulation. Introduction to the water cycle. Rainforests are integral to the global water cycle, a continuous process where water circulates between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. Their unique characteristics significantly influence this cycle, impacting both local and global climate patterns. Moisture release and cloud formation. Rainforests release vast amounts of moisture into the atmosphere through a process called evapotranspiration. Plants absorb water from the soil and release it into the air through their leaves. This moisture contributes to cloud formation, which can lead to rainfall both locally and in distant areas. Local and regional rainfall patterns. The moisture released by rainforests plays a crucial role in local and regional rainfall patterns. In tropical regions, rainforests help maintain consistent rainfall, which is essential for the survival of the forest itself and for agriculture and water supply in nearby areas. Impact on global weather patterns. The moisture and heat generated by rainforests also affect global weather patterns. Rainforest regions influence atmospheric circulation patterns, which can impact weather systems and climate in regions far beyond the forest's immediate area. Soil moisture and fertility. Rainforests help maintain soil moisture levels, which is vital for sustaining plant life and preventing desertification. Their root systems help stabilize soil and prevent erosion, while the organic matter from decaying plants enriches the soil, enhancing its fertility. Effect of deforestation on the water cycle. Deforestation in rainforest areas disrupts the water cycle. Without the dense vegetation to release moisture into the atmosphere, regions can experience reduced rainfall and drier conditions. This disruption can lead to droughts, reduced water availability, and adverse impacts on agriculture and ecosystems. Restoration and conservation efforts. Restoration efforts, such as reforestation and afforestation, aim to restore the balance of the water cycle by reintroducing native vegetation and improving soil health. Conservation initiatives also focus on protecting existing rainforest areas to ensure their continued role in regulating the water cycle. Community and economic implications. Local communities and economies depend on the water cycle regulated by rainforests for their water supply, agriculture, and overall livelihood. Ensuring the health of rainforests is crucial for maintaining these resources and supporting sustainable development. Conclusion. Rainforests are vital for regulating the water cycle through moisture release, cloud formation, and influencing rainfall patterns. Their health and preservation are essential for maintaining local and global climate stability, supporting ecosystems, and sustaining human communities. The impact of rainforests on global climate regulation. Introduction to climate regulation. Rainforests play a pivotal role in regulating the global climate. Their unique characteristics and functions contribute significantly to climate stability and weather patterns around the world. Carbon sequestration. Rainforests are major carbon sinks, meaning they absorb and store large amounts of carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere through photosynthesis. This process helps mitigate the effects of climate change by reducing the overall concentration of greenhouse gases. Temperature regulation. Rainforests help regulate global temperatures by influencing atmospheric temperatures and weather patterns. The dense canopy of trees provides shade and reduces the amount of solar radiation that reaches the forest floor, contributing to cooler local temperatures. Influence on weather patterns. Rainforests affect global weather patterns by influencing the distribution of moisture and heat. The evapotranspiration from rainforests contributes to cloud formation and precipitation, which in turn affects weather systems and climate patterns in other parts of the world. Impact of deforestation on climate. Deforestation in rainforest areas releases stored carbon back into the atmosphere, contributing to increased levels of CO2 and exacerbating climate change. Additionally, the loss of rainforests reduces the Earth's capacity to regulate temperatures. Goodbye, everyone.